Taking a look at my plans, I can see the top rear rail all the way up at the top in the back inside of my project. On my parts list, it is identified as being 2 inches in width, and currently I am sitting at about 5 inches in width on my board. I am going to get both my top rear rail out of this piece, as well as one additional piece later on in the project. My board has one straight lined edge and one rough edge. If I flip the board over, I can see that I do have a knot on the board. I don't want this as part of the project. That knot happens to be on my straight lined edge, so I'm going to go ahead and joiner my rough edge 2 or 3 times until that's cleaned up. And I'm then going to set my table saw to 2 inches plus 1/16 of an inch so I can joiner off that milled edge once it's been cut. And with my good, clean, jointed edge up against the fence, I can make my cut. So I'm left with my top rear rail. This has one good, clean, jointed edge and one mill-marked edge from the table saw. And then I have my remaining material that I'll use later. I'm going to joiner my mill-marked edge, which will bring that down to 2 inches in width. And I am now at 22 3/4 inches long by my finished width of 2 inches by about 1 inch thick, this being for my top rear rail.